In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a SMS follow-up automation in GoHighLevel for an auto repair shop. This automation is part of my full auto repair GoHighLevel system. You can watch the full setup below. There's a link. Just check it out down there. Grab your favorite drink. We got Olipop, crisp apple, pretty tasty. All right, let's jump into it. The automations here, and this is where we do the follow-up through the form. So when somebody submits the form, we are going to create a new kind of workflow there for them. So create a new one from scratch, enable autosave trigger. We're going to find that form submitted, form is, and find the name of that form. There we go. And we want to save that trigger. The next thing you want to do is assign it to a user. We don't have a user set up here, so I'm going to have to go back and show you. We'll put our own information in there. So let's just autosave that. We'll come back into settings here. We need to add staff. And this is where we just add a new user. So we'll just add ourselves. All right, click next. And this is all what you want to have them access to in the website or in GoHighLevel. We're just going to leave it what it is. Click save. Now, if we go back out into the automations where we can actually add them to the workflow. Here's the workflow we started. You want to make sure you also label it. So we could call this contact form follow-up. And we'll do 7 days. So we're going to send them an automatic text message every day until they reply back with that lead. So you want to make sure also when you do that you set up stop on response here. That was in the settings, because you don't want them to stay in the workflow if they respond back to you. The whole idea is that you're getting in contact them for the first time here through that lead form. So we'll explain a little more here once we get in. So we go back into the internal or assign user, then we'll do internal notification. All right, so we add that. So it's going to notify or apply that to myself here with the new lead. Then we want to send an internal notification. We're going to do it directly in the app. You can title this whatever you want. We'll just say lead, and then we'll say reach out to the new lead. And we should add a tag. This will pull in their name so we know who it is. I'll do full name and save that action. Oh, that's another step I forgot to mention. So when you assign internal notification, you can actually have it redirect to the conversations tab so you can actually see what's going on with that customer. You can also send an internal notification, say you want one to send you a text. You can also do that too. So you do SMS. You would put that information in there, same as before. We're not going to do that right now. And so the next phase is to do the SMS message. So we're going to send them now a message. Thank you for contacting our shop. We'll be in contact with you shortly. So we just have that as a simple message, save that. Then we're going to do a wait period. And we're going to wait 2 minutes. And then we are going to send another SMS. How can we help you today? Save that action. And so we already got two SMS messages that we're sending here. Again, we're going to do another wait. And now we're going to wait a day. So turn that to 1 day. And it's good probably to label this also so you know where you are in the workflow. And then down here, you can actually copy these and reuse them and just change the text. So you click copy action, and then you can paste it below here. And so we'd come in here and we just change what it's about. You can say, do you still need help with your vehicle? Message 3, day 2. And then you're just going to come down, you're going to do it again. So we just copy this, copy action, paste. So we're waiting and so forth until you have 7-day follow-up. And so the idea is then if they respond to any of these messages, then it will take them out of the workflow. That's why we have stop on response here. And then if you want to make it live, you have to hit publish here and hit save. That'll make it live. Again, this is just a structured showing a demo here. You would actually fill this out more information. But now if they came in and they went to that website page, clicked on this and they filled all the information out, now it's going to follow up with that sequence of that workflow automation that we just created. Also remember our link below, 30-day free trial. Just do it yourself and build the website. Or if you'd like us to build it for you, you can also reach out to us directly through our contact form, our website down below. There's another link there. Or just leave us a message and we'll reach out to you.